My name is Zuhaib Shakur and I work for Shorelight Education.
I'm representing Webster University, USA in this region for Pakistan and MENA.
What are your thoughts on these type of sessions that we are just having?
These are very helpful. ठीक है, अंडर वन रूफ आपको आपके बच्चों को जो है वो मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस मल्टीपल कंट्रीज के मिल जाते हैं. They can come here, they can get the accurate information about their studies, their future plans, their intended majors, right? और वीज़ा पॉलिसीज़ के हवाले से, स्कॉलरशिप्स के हवाले से. So these sessions are really helpful for students who are trying to to go abroad for their studies.
It was a pretty good experience. I got to learn a lot and the staff here is kind of knowledgeable, so that's kind of a plus point.
The review is good. I mean, I've got a lot of information from your consultant. She knows well, she has guided us very well, and inshallah we will go for the admission from your company.
The motivation is basically for a better opportunity. I think as early you go abroad, the more it's better.
Thank you so much.